Welcome to InfoSupport videos. This is Rohini and I am here to explain you about the load external attachments job. The agenda will be what is a load external attachment job and the steps in scheduling the load external attachment job. Let me give a quick demo on how to schedule the load external attachment job. So here is what is a load external attachment job and what happens when scheduling the load external attachment job. The load external attachment is a standalone job that can be used to archive the external attachments to IDV. When you run the job, you specify a parameter stating the directory in which external attachments are present. The job archives the record from the directory and all the subdirectories within the specified directory. The job creates a BCP files and load the attachment to the AM attachment table in the data vault. In the EDM, it creates an application called external attachments. Under the application, it creates an entity and includes the table AM attachment. You specify the entity in the job parameter. It allows you to use the browse data option to view the external attachments. After running the load external attachment job, you have to create and assign the role to the entity to view the data in the browse data option. If the external attachment you want to load has a special character in the file name, you must configure the lang and lc all Java environmental variable on the operating system where the ILM server runs. So here are the steps in scheduling the load external attachment job. Log into Data Archive Web UI. Open the Jobs Schedule a Job menu. Select the standalone program option and click on the Add Item button. Select the load external attachment job from the list of standalone job displayed. Here are the parameters required for the load external attachment standalone job. The directory that contains the external attachment that you want to archive. Attachment name. By default, the attachment name will be AM attachment entity. You can specify the name that you want. Target archive store. Data vault destination where you want to load the external attachments. Choose the corresponding archive target connection. Purge after load. If yes is selected, it deletes the attachment from the directory. If no is selected, it keeps the attachment in the directory. You want to select no if you plan to manually delete the attachment after running the standalone job. Now let me give a quick demo on how to schedule the standalone job. Now I have logged into the web UI. Go to Jobs, Schedule a Job. Select the standalone program and click on the Add Item. Here you can search for Load External Attachment Job. Select the job. Here are the parameters required for the job. I have my external attachment data in home, this directory. It will be created under entity AM attachment entity. You can provide a different name if you want different entity name. Here I am selecting the target connection. If you want to purge the data, you can select yes, else you can select no. I am selecting no here. Click on Schedule a Job after giving the parameters. The job will be scheduled and can be monitored from Job, Monitor Jobs. Yes, the job is completed now. The job is completed. The BCP files are created and the records are loaded into AM attachment table. Now we can create a role. We can give the description. It is valid from. Okay. Then we can save the roles. We can assign this role to the entity. Click on Assign Access Role to the entity. You can select the product family version. The product family version should be the same as the target connection. that you have given while scheduling the standalone job. My product family version is this, and the AM attachment tables will be created under this product family version in EDM. Application module, it will be created under DBO in EDM. Entity name, this is the entity name that you have provided while scheduling the job. We can assign the role. This is the role that we have created now. We can save it. Now go to manage users and then assign the role to the user that you are going to use for the browse data. So the role is assigned now to the user. Click on save. Once you click on save, you can go to the browse data. Select the target connection. This is the target connection I have used for the job. This is a schema name. Schema will be DBO by default, and the table will be AM attachments. So the attachments have now loaded. You can click to view the data in the attachment. Now let me show the EDM. How is it created in the EDM? So this is the product family version provided while scheduling the job. It will be created under DBO schema by default. Under AM attachment entity, it contains the AM attachment table. So this completes a demo. So any kind of feedback, we would love to hear from you from the following sites. Thank you.